In this video, we will take you to Boracay.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no.
I'm Taijiro.
And I am Kiyon.
And this is our little brother Seiji. Welcome to our channel,
The
Traveling Brothers PH.
This
is part 4 of our trip. We started in Vigan, then we traveled to Ilocos Norte and Baguio before going to Boracay. Please also watch parts 1, 2, and 3 of this video if you haven't watched these yet.
Now let's continue with our trip.
Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Go, 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 go.
Boracay still remains to be among the most famous beaches in the world. Its aquamarine waters and powdery sand makes it a go-to travel destination.
Go, 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 yo, go, go, go.
At night, Boracay transforms into a huge party place with live bands, restaurants, and night shopping.
Go, 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 yeah.
Welcome to our hotel in Boracay.
Show me your room.
There's music and the food. And this is our beds. I'm gonna sleep here. He's gonna sleep there.
Okay, you like it here?
Yeah. And there's also some working stories.
We'll check the other room.
Okay.
Ooh. Wow. And later we'll check the room of Mama Gin, Atia, and the rest of the family. Okay, bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Go, go, go.
A trip to Boracay is not complete without water activities.
Go, 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 yo, go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard,
This is Boracay. You won't regret it.
till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I
Thanks for watching. See you in our next adventure.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe.
Bye!